Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you ever get creative block, this method of making a monotype is incredibly easy and a wonderful way to push through. I've squeezed out really cheap paint, so this is a Cotman turquoise. I'm going to squeeze out more because the red is dominating. The other colour that I've squeezed out a lot of is alizarin carmine. Then I'm using a cheap brush to make beautiful puddles. Look at how that carmine is pushing that blue. That's just amazing. I absolutely love that alchemy. What I'm now going to do is spritz it around, make it travel with very little effort, just spritzing, spritzing. I wonder if I push it that way, will that be beautiful? And then I've got some watercolour paper and squeeze it out, tear it off and gently tap, and let's see what we get. Wow, beautiful. I get an instant beautiful background. Okay, definitely going to make another one. Another piece of this paper. It is Watson watercolour paper. It's called White Watson, 190 GSM. Oopsie, made a mark. Won't matter in the least. Paper number 2. There's a lot of blue there and a lot of red there. I wonder if I might push the blue over a little bit. I know it's turquoise, but looks like blue on the page. Okay, number 2 coming up. And we get number 2 background. How's that one? Oh, fantastic. Okay, I'm just going to set that one aside. Got another page. Oh, I've got another 2. Fantastic, because I've got a perfect amount of paint for another 2. Here. Now, if any of my students are watching, we're going to be doing this next term. I want this blue over here, I want this red over here. So I've got 5 pages. So the other thing I thought I might play with is to put it down. And I've got this grevillea, and I thought I might do some drawing. So I'll just put it here so you can see what I'm doing. And I thought that it might make a rather lovely subject. I'm going to turn it on its side and see what kind of marks it makes if I just do a little bit of a continuous line drawing. I might end up painting on the other side if this looks good, or it might do absolutely nothing. But as I like to say to my students, if you're asking yourself the question, what happens if, then do it. And that's how you will create beautiful, original pieces of art. It's such a great idea. Have an idea and pursue it. Once you take your pencil off, that's the end of the drawing process. Okay, how does it look? Yeah, it hasn't done anything. There's a bit of a mark there. You can just see that I was doing some drawing. Don't think that is worth pursuing, actually. I've got enough paint to make a 5th one. I might wet the page this time, just lightly, just because I'd like to see what will happen. So it's lovely and wet, and here goes. Gently touch it all the way around. And how does the last one look? Oh, completely different, really lovely and light. Oh, it's done some pretty things over there. That is it. And now I have 5 beautiful backgrounds. So these are my drawers in my studio. There's the cupboards above, and I've got 3 drawers, and on the 3 drawers I put the paintings that are drying. So here are my 5 pieces of paper, my 5 watercolour monotypes, and they're all drying, and I've got instant backgrounds, and then I'm going to use them for inspiration to paint something into it later on.